Welcome to Caregiving Vlogs. I'm Danielle Gray. Today I'm going to just talk to you and give you some advice about keeping a schedule, a daily calendar, just so you can keep organized and also so you don't lose your mind as a caregiver, because it is a very difficult situation to be in, not just for you, but for the patient that you are caring for or the person that you are caring for. Sometimes life can get a little bit crazy, so just so you can have a clear mind of what you're going to do every day, not necessarily have to stick to this schedule, because life is sometimes really, really surprising, and sometimes schedules do end up not being the greatest thing because life happens. But keeping a daily schedule and calendar in either your phone or on a piece of paper on the fridge, scheduling is really important to keep track of all the doctor's appointments that you're going to be having. You can even schedule days where you plan on doing the laundry or you're cleaning, or even just days where you take breaks, where you have days off, where you schedule everything out. So certain days where you do laundry day and certain days where you can prep meals. And scheduling even helps when you are making up a meal plan where you're going grocery shopping and you're making meals for a certain amount of days. You can keep a list for like either a week or a month of all the groceries that you need. You can pre-cook those. I like to pre-cook them and put them in containers so they're maxed out for like a week or two, and then I like to go back and do the same process over again. I find this really convenient, and I do it on certain days. I usually cook a big meal on Sundays and I spread it out, so I put them in certain containers where they can just be reheated for a week or two. And I also like to keep a shared calendar where where my mom and I share calendars on our Google or Outlook to kind of like clone our calendars to match each other. So there's no confusion on what day she has doctor's appointments and what days I have doctor's appointments, what days are open, what days are free for both of us. I also like to schedule naps. I like to schedule just about anything, just to keep it all organized in my mind in a piece of paper on the fridge, just so we know what's going on from day to day and month to month. I like to schedule things month to month and week to week so it doesn't become overwhelming for me or the patient that I'm caring for. In this case, it is my mom, since I am a family caregiver. So scheduling, I find just really, really important to keep everything organized, not just for you, but for everybody in the household. I know that parents do this when they're caregiving for babies, and when you're also trying to keep track of school and also just after school activities. Organization is really a key to keeping everything balanced, so you feel like you have a sense of control, since the person that you might be caring for may have a terminal illness and you don't feel like, or even a disability, and you don't feel like you have much control over the situation. You can have control over the situation by creating a schedule, and it keeps you, as I've said before, probably over and over again in this video, sane. It will keep you sane and it will keep you organized, and it will feel less stressful. And that's the major thing that you want in any caregiving situation, is to feel less stressed. So that is my advice for today: scheduling and caring for your patient by scheduling. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video with your friends and family so they can subscribe. If you know a caregiver who might need a little bit of direction please share this video with them. And as always, thank you so much for even caring about this small little YouTube channel that I've created and for taking the time to watch my video. Thank you so much.